Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we're offering now is a Kawasaki Z1 900 cylinder and piston kit, 10-15 kit. It comes with the Wiseco two-piece head gasket, or spring head gasket I would call it, along with their base gasket. Then we have the pistons, and we have everything marked exactly how it's supposed to go. Comes with the clips, comes with the rings, and all goes in a little bag. This has been vapor blasted, and this is beautiful. It doesn't get any better than this. This is the absolute best thing you can get for your Z1. This is what we offer on all our motorcycles. Now, one thing is a little bit gooned right here is this fin. You got to look for that, but we just want to show you that could be filed. I wouldn't probably repair that. I don't want to ruin the integrity of what we have for what we have. But anyway, it's got that little goon right there. But it's nice. It's very nice. And that is the only imperfection on this whole thing. This kit is ready to bolt on. This takes a two-piece head gasket and the O-ring. The cylinder is correct for 74 to 75 Z1, as well as 76 KZ900 LTD, 76, 77 KZ900A. This is instant power. This runs nice. This is a very nice kit. So thanks for looking, and we're going to be offering these for sale on our webpage. Thanks.